Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakalai terik mentau naitung arajar kat kendai. Kesenjuk jong kino hikai college ki badan hapo kalama jong ke Meghalaya College Teachers Association bat kino hikai jong ke St Edmunds College kila betengi ke jengki jong ki persya iki bor peniat jong ke St Edmunds College ke balaweng kam no klam nong rem ya wei ne kino hikai haka subject sociology u Professor Jefferson Watlang. Hakani kesengi daki spangot ki dekat jong ke MCTA bat kino hikai ke St Edmunds College kila betengi kini ke jengki na ke basyong kelan mengor biang haka jaka penyang kali ke badan markham bat ke office rekam jong ke Additional Secretariat Shillong. Nakal yang kino hikai kila berngamru bakin dang yai beteng bet ya kini ke jengki ladaki bor penyat jong ke St Edmunds College kim pensngap ya ki jing dawa jongki.
Someone from High Court has called me saying that he would like to hand over the petition. So at the moment, I think we cannot because we are going to have a meeting again and honestly from the minister.